Hello everyone, welcome to this video on customizing tooltips in Bold BI widgets. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to configure and customize the tooltip to improve clarity and enhance contextual guidance. A tooltip is a small pop-up box that appears when you hover over or click an element in a user interface, such as a chart, button, or icon. It provides extra information without cluttering the main display. This helps to quickly identify the highest or lowest values, organize information logically, facilitate easier comparisons, and highlight trends or patterns. Please note that tooltip customization is optional and does not alter widget visualization. Additional fields enhance data exploration without overwhelming the chart. Only measure fields are allowed as additional tooltip fields. If a dimension field is added to the tooltip section, it will only act as a measure field. This section is optional. If no additional fields are required, you do not need to add any fields in the tooltip section. You can add any number of tooltip fields as needed. All types of charts, such as choropleth map, bubble map, map, tree map, and heat map, widgets support tooltip fields. Tooltip fields are currently not supported in radial gauge, grid, pivot grid, image, label, and filter widgets. Now, I'll show you how to apply a tooltip. For this example, we'll create a widget. On the design page, I'll click the data source icon. Select Use Existing and choose Sales Analysis Data. Then click Add. Once the data source is added, drag and drop a bar chart to the canvas and resize it. Click the Properties icon at the top right corner. Go to the Assign Data tab and add values like the sum of unit price. I rename it to Unit Price. And sort the column's product name. I filter to rank top 5. To customize and apply a tooltip, scroll to the tooltip field and assign count of quantity per unit data. You can see the tooltip enabled in the chart when you hover. To customize the details, click the Settings icon. First, you can rename the tooltip, which changes the display name of the tooltip field data to a more meaningful or user-friendly label. Next, changing the aggregation type helps you modify how a measure's values are summarized in the tooltip. You can select None, Count, Distinct Count, First, or Last. Lastly, measure the formatting. Upon selection, this feature allows you to apply custom formats. For this example, I'll rename the dataset to Quantity per Unit and format the measure to Number, Representation to Ones, and Decimal to 0. I click OK. I navigate to the Properties and update the name to Sales by Product. Then preview the dashboard. Hover over the bars, and you can see the tooltip successfully applied. In this tutorial, I've shown you how to apply a tooltip in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.